everyone, this is the video, I always say that, the painting from the last video. Check out those bright colors. That's why I love these ARTEZA paints. But it turned out super cool. And if you remember, it had over here, one of the red colors had taken over this, and it was kind of blah. So I'm glad I tilted that out of the way. Today's inspiration comes from this, which is a little messed up piece of UPO with alcohol inks and markers, and I was just goofing around with it. So, did you see the door I painted? I never finished. I was just goofing around then too. It's like, I feel like painting a door. So, let's see. So, these are kind of the colors. Why does it look so awkward? There we go. There was some black in it. I don't have black made, and I didn't really want to make black right now. So, it will be sans black. Instead, we'll use pearl deep brown. And then we've got pearl gold copper. And this is a self-mixed orange and self-mixed red. And this is an 8x10 canvas. And let me shake this some more. This white paint is a mix of like the Dutch Boy that I use plus ARTEZA. So it's got a little bit of both. Oh, and I was so excited. I got at the dollar store last night. I finally found another container. This is what I like to mix my white paint in, and mine is so gnarly. And then they had 2 for $1 of the squeeze bottles, so I was super excited. That's like way cheap. And oh my god, I can't sit on this. Okay. I used to use them for more colors, but I was finding that they were sitting in there forever. Because I just don't go through that much colored paint that quickly. You know, I don't use a whole lot of it. This is 5.5 ounces, and that'll last me a long time. But I still bought 3 of them, because you never know. And for $3, it was worth it to me. So those of you that helped me with my yellow frame dilemma the other day, you guys kind of put in my head what I was already thinking, that the frames are too heavy for a painting like these. I still have no idea. When I was trying to sleep last night, so go back like 3, 4 videos, you'll see the one with the yellow frame in the little preview thing. I have no idea why I was thinking about this before I was going to bed, because I was thinking about resining things inside the middle. And who knows why, I was thinking, oh my god, it would be so cool to build a Lego thing. Maybe because I had spray painted yellow, and yellow makes me think of Legos. I was like, I could build a Lego thing and then resin it in here. Like, where do these ideas come from? Like, what the heck? I think I'm just doing one. One smashola. I'm sure I've used these colors before, but I'm afraid this brown might take over. Kind of looks like a, whatchamadeal. What the heck? The candy corns. I'm like, what is the name of that candy? Which people have like very strong opinions about. They either love them or they hate them. But you have to eat them in thirds, you know, you have to eat the top, the middle, the bottom. You can't just pop them in your mouth. It's like a whole process. Ooh, that looks very different than my usual mallet smashes. I'm actually going to tilt this around because it looks pretty cool. I mean, once I tilt it, it's going to lose its mallet smashiness. But I like it. There's like not much red in there at all, and it's so red. Red just takes over everything. I'm making it hard to. Alright. I got sick of waiting for that one. Ooh, look, if I left it like that, it looks like a hand. Like a Hamza. It's way too stretched out though. Now that I'm bringing it back in, I may get rid of that bottom part. I actually wonder. Thinking I could. Ugh, still got too much. I cannot get that bottom part right. I'm just making it worse, is what I'm doing. So maybe if I just get it all scrunched back up. Just scrunch it all back in, like trying to put on Spanx. See if that works. It might actually. But that's what it kind of feels like I'm doing. Scrunching it all back in. Don't hang out. Go all the way back in. All right, so this was the inspiration, and meh, not too bad actually. More orange maybe. So parts of it, like that, looks like a mallet smash, but not a lot of it. But I'm happy with it. So thank you so much for watching, and of course I'll catch you next time. Bye.